It's Javon Johnson and Miracle Jones. Please unmute and turn on your camera. Do you swear the testimony that you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
The court notes that Javon Johnson will serve May 15, 2025. There's no answer on file. Case wrap for default. Go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the mother here in this matter. Ma'am, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Miracle Jones,
And Miss Jones, can I get you to state the name of the child or children that we're here in reference to?
Alakay Jones,
And the name of the child's father?
Javon Kanye Johnson.
And has there been any issues relating to family violence between you and the other party to this case?
Hold up. Did you catch that? She just told the court she's sitting there with a black eye from family violence the day before this hearing. That instantly raises the stakes. This isn't just about custody, it's about safety.
Um, yeah, it's been numerous situations of family violence. I actually have a black eye right now. I don't know if you can tell, but my face is swollen from a family violence situation yesterday.
All right. And do you have a pending case in Dallas County for physical altercation between you and the other parties to this case?
Yes, there should be two.
And did you call the police in reference to the incident that you reported happened yesterday?
Yeah, that's a part of the two.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. And are you requesting that your information, such as your address and telephone number, be withheld from the record?
Hmm.
Is it yes or no, ma'am?
Oh yes.
Thank
Sorry.
you. No problem. Thank you, ma'am. And is this out of safety concerns you're making this request?
Yes.
All right. And are you requesting that all communication between you and the other party be done through app close?
Yes.
And based off of the prior reported family violence, are you requesting to be named as the sole managing conservator for the child here in this matter?
Yes.
Do you agree to reside in Dallas and the surrounding counties with the child?
Yes.
And has the father had any recent visitation with the child?
Yes.
When was the last time he had visitation with the child?
Right before the physical altercation. So I'd say a week ago.
And going forward, are you requesting that the father only has supervised visits with the child to be done by your sister, Miss Dillard?
Yes.
And are you requesting for that to take place on Saturdays between 2 and 4 p.m. on the first, third, and fifth weekends of each month?
Yes.
And are you requesting for that exchange to take place at J.W. Ray Park, located on Washington Avenue in Dallas, Texas?
Yes.
And how does your child currently receive insurance? Is it through the state or through your employer?
Right.
And is it your understanding that the father has no additional children other than the child here in this matter?
Yeah. Yes. He doesn't have any
All
other.
right. Thank you, ma'am. And the state has used minimum wage for the calculation of support and will request that the father pays $209 per month for child support and $113 for medical support. Are you in agreement to those amounts?
Um. Yes, but I would like to discuss it for a reason.
All right. And as it relates to the child support arrears, are you requesting any child support from the past or just child support going forward?
Just child support going forward.
All right. And are you in agreement for the father to pay the court costs associated with today's hearing?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any additional information that you would like to offer to the court at this time?
Yes.
And what is that, ma'am?
I was questioning how much.
And here's where things get tricky. She claims dad purposely stays unemployed and makes money under the table selling drugs just to dodge child support. But legally, the court can only use documented income. No proof, docs, no extra payments. Harsh reality check.
He pays because he purposely doesn't work because I've threatened to put him on child support before, so he sells drugs instead to get his money under the table. And I was trying to see how I would be able to go about that.
So, ma'am, do you understand that the state has used minimum wage because the father is currently unemployed and we cannot use any additional illegal information that you provided to us for his income for the calculation of support today?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Do you have any additional information you'd like to offer to the court at this time?
No.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Nothing further from this party.
All right, default judgment granted as requested. Child support set at 209, medical support at 113. All the other requests, including supervised visits, are part of the court order. The Attorney General's office will draft an order based on our ruling today and email you a copy, and that'll be the end of our court case. All right, you're done with court, Ms. Jones. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you. Do you swear the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Looks like we had a hearing back in June, and we were trying to find out about Social Security and see if the child could receive a benefit. I did some temporary orders. Mr. Tatum, go ahead and proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the mother in this matter. Ma'am, can I get you to state your name for the record?
It's Aisha. It was Riles, but it's Aisha Coffee.
And the name of the child or children that we're here in reference to?
Tony Johnson.
All right. Is it your understanding that the child is currently receiving benefits from the father's Social Security?
Correct.
All right. Is that in the amount of $1,076 per month, which began on June 2025?
That's correct.
All right. In total, the child has received $18,084 from Social Security since June. Is that correct?
That is correct.
And the child is currently receiving state insurance. Is that correct?
Yes.
And is it your understanding that the father is receiving SSDI in the amount of $2,100 per month?
That's what he says. Yes.
All right. Based off of that information, the state will request that the father pays medical support in the amount of $63 per month. Are you in agreement to that amount?
Yes.
And that child support beginning on October 1st, 2025 will be set at $0 per month based off of the outset for the Social Security. Are you in agreement to that as well?
Yes.
All right, the state has calculated child support arrears in this case in the amount of $24,167.08 before any credits are provided. Are you in agreement to the confirmation of the arrears and that amount?
Correct. Yes.
And the state will request, and you're in agreement to, giving credit in the amount of $18,084 based off of the Social Security payments. Is that correct?
Absolutely. That's correct.
All right. And with the credits provided, the state will request a judgment in the amount of $6,083.08 to be paid at $80 per month. Are you in agreement to that amount?
Yes.
And as it relates to the medical support arrears, the state has calculated medical support arrears with no credits in the amount of $130, to which the state will request that the father pays $10 per month towards that amount. Are you in agreement to that as well?
Yes.
And do you believe that the father has the ability to pay those as provided, those amounts as provided?
Yes.
And why is that you believe that, ma'am?
Well, he has assets that he could liquidate and pay for the arrearage.
Wow, Mom is laying it all out. Luxury cars, handbags, even international trips, while claiming he can't pay support. This is classic courtroom drama, lifestyle versus legal proof. Question for you. If someone flexes wealth online but claims poverty in court, should that count as evidence?
The last time I was here, I presented pictures. He's out of the country right now, probably in a luxury hotel. And I mean, he can afford to pay that. It's not a whole lot. So even though he may be receiving whatever, $2,000 a month in Social Security, he has two incomes because he is also married. He lives in a $500,000 house or more. You have a Porsche. He has a Porsche. He has a slingshot. He has a Range Rover, which I don't even know how anybody would pay or afford the insurance on that per month over with only $2,000. So that tells me he has access to pay right there. I'm seeing pictures of luxury handbags and stuff. Liquefy one of those. So, it's not a whole lot of money.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. Do you have any additional information you'd like to offer to the court at this time?
No.
Nothing further from this party, Your Honor. At this time, Your Honor, the state would like to call the father here in this matter. Sir, can I get you to state your name for the record?
Yes. Antonio Johnson.
And Mr. Johnson, just to confirm, you are currently receiving SSDI in the amount of $2,100 per month. Is that correct?
That's correct.
You have two additional minor children. Is that correct?
Correct.
And is it your understanding that the child here in this matter started receiving benefits from your Social Security in the amount of $1,076 per month, beginning somewhere around June 2025?
Yes, that's correct.
And it has been reported that the child has received a total in the amount of $18,084 for Social Security benefits since June 2025. Do you believe that to be correct?
That's correct.
All right. The state has calculated medical support going forward in the amount of $63 per month. Would you be in agreement to paying that, sir?
Let's say it again now. I'm sorry. Last part.
Yes. The state is requesting that you pay state medical in the amount of $63 per month. Are you in agreement to that amount?
Yes.
And the state will request that child support be set at $0 based off of the offset of the Social Security. Are you in agreement to that beginning October 1st, 2025?
Correct.
All right. The state has also calculated child support arrears in the amount of $24,167.08 without any credits as of September 16th, 2025, and will request to provide credits based off of the Social Security payments in the amount of $18,084, thus taking a judgment in the amount of $6,083.08, to which the state will request that you pay $80 per month towards that amount. Would you be in agreement to that, sir?
Correct. Yes.
So just to confirm, you are in agreement to paying the $80 per month towards the judgment of $6,083.08.
Well, I'm in agreement on paying it, but I do have a question with the amount of child support that she's getting and the amount with the child support that's based off my income, and plus the extra money that she's getting, what I'm saying, with the Social Security. The problem I have is how come, what I'm saying, the extra 700 some dollars that she's getting, whatever it is, through Social Security, can offset, the other $80 a
And
month.
sir, do you understand that that amount that's being confirmed is something that you already owe, but we are stopping child support going forward? Do you understand that,
Yeah.
sir?
Yes, I do understand that part.
All right. The state has also calculated medical support in the arrears in the amount of $130 as of September 16th, 2025, and request that you pay that at $10 per month. Are you in
Okay.
agreement to that amount, sir?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
All right. Do you have any additional information that you would like to offer to the court at this time?
No, I do not.
All right. Nothing further from this party, Your Honor. Again, the state is requesting to confirm the arrears and set the child support at $0 and medical support at $63.
Okay, I'm gonna agree with the proposed order, which is the medical support at 63, the arrears judgment and payment of $80, and the payment of $10 a month on the small medical support arrears. The sooner you can pay off these child support and medical support arrears, that'll lower your payment altogether another $90 a month.
Okay.
So if you want to pay it all off, the $6,083 and the $130, if you want to just pay it all off, then you'll save yourself $90 a month.
And here's the judge wrapping it up with a money tip. Pay off your arrears early, save yourself interest, and drop your monthly bill. Basically, it's like a debt snowball strategy, but court-ordered. Smart move, or just more pressure on a struggling parent? You decide.
And the only thing
Right.
you have to pay at that point is just the $63 a month. So it's to your benefit to pay it off sooner rather than later. If you take a while to pay it off, it'll accrue interest, which means it'll add on to what you're paying and it'll take you longer to pay it off. But that's up to you. At the very least, you need to make these monthly payments each and every month so at least the balance will slowly go down. And then at some point in the future, if you want to pay it all off, you definitely can. And then you
Right.
won't have to pay that anymore. All right, the Attorney General's office will put that all in a court order and email you a copy after I sign it. Y'all are done with court. This will be our final hearing. You can press leave on the Zoom to exit out. Thank you.
All right. No problem. Thanks.
Okay.